Uh-oh. It's pretty cool out right now, honestly, because that rain, it's probably like high 70s, maybe low 80s, maybe it's like 80 exactly, honestly. Which I know doesn't seem cool, but hell, it's been, you know, upper 90s the last little bit. It's a nice chunk. I had to get tested Thursday. I had a severe virus, but it becomes flu, as President Trump calls it. Have you guys seen that video? That's freaking hilarious. Oh look, there's some goats. So for one thing I'm noticing with this helmet is with the camera up front, it's kind of pushing on my cheeks. Oh, I was telling you I had to go get tested, so I went to work and I really felt crummy. I had I want to say like allergy symptoms, and my body ached, and I was pretty fatigued, and way more than I normally am. But I had to fill out a thing every time we come in to work, and they basically told me that I should just go to the doctor, which I don't have a doctor, so I went to like a quick care or urgent care, and they told me to better safe than sorry just to take the test. So I got tested 2 days, came back negative. I couldn't go back to work until then, and my coworker that I'm around all the time couldn't go back to work. So unfortunately, he wasn't able to work the last couple days. Thankfully to him, he'll work Sunday. So I got a flat right here. Not last time, one of the times I drove up here. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. That does not sound good. Sounds like my freaking motor blew out. Oh. Shit. I don't see anything. Is it that? Oh. How in the hell? Well, somehow, see if I'm still recording. Yeah, somehow my freaking spark plug came out. I don't know how that happened. So, look, there's that bug I was talking about. So that's going to take a minute to fix. Don't know what the hell happened, but we'll see. I'm going to shut you guys off so I can try to get this back in here. Okay. Well, hopefully that doesn't happen again. The freaking spark plug somehow wobbled its way out. I mean, I'm sure you guys heard that. It scared the heck out of me. And it took me almost 15 minutes to get that thing back in there. One, because it's like molten hot lava. I have burns all over my fingers now, because I don't have gloves. And two, because there's no room underneath there without having the plastics off and the front off up here. So it made it a pain in the ass. I'm already sweating like a freaking racehorse, but hopefully this video didn't just get too long because of that. I had the camera off, so it shouldn't. Driveway is ferocious. Yeah, hey, this is his driveway. It doesn't look like they're here yet. Always an adventure here at the house down here. We're about to get that boat and put it in the pond and see how it goes. Hi Paisley, don't jump on me. Why's your hand hurt, dude? Let me see it. Oh, fuck, dude. It was that hot?
Feel that. It's tough.
I could see it.
It'll burn you. It'll burn you.
Where's the drain plug even at?
Right here.
You have it?
Yeah.
You ready to ride?
I want to try it, I guess. You turned it one way to kill it. You turned it all the way back there.
Hey, stop right. Yeah, stop right there and let it drain out. Well, it rained a lot more. Just stick your finger in it. Stick your finger in it. Stick your finger in it.
Please. You notice in your last videos, Trent said, "Damn it, Bobby."
No, I didn't.
Oh, the one with my pit bike.
Oh man, something smells rough. Huh? No. Oh, God. You got this. Oh, God. Something smells really bad.
You better paddle it back out there. Go. I'm gonna push this fucking back. Oh, broke the lot.
Oh, yeah, I was going to do the same thing. Yeah, someone's got to get in the back. Get in the back, Trent.
Back of the fucking boat.
There you go.
Oh, my MC.
Already? There you go. What are you doing, bud? Is there a kill switch? Oh God, it's so muddy.
You better hurry up and down there.
Oh.
Back her up.
Does it have reverse?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bad.
Paddle? Is it fucked up?
Oh my God. Look at all the fish jumping. Are those fish or frogs?
I think they're frogs. They were little.
I don't know how a fish could survive in this nasty water. You got some rope?
You ever hear a lane?
Oh God!
Oh! Jay, get the red one.
Oh God! Oh my God! Oh! Okay, so I'm not sure how much you can see right now, but stupidly, we are riding into this massive storm. I have a huge trash bag on me right now. The lightning is freaking insane. It's pretty dumb, honestly. They have a windshield, I don't.